So kung may bala kayong mga ruling this Christmas, this song will be perfect for you. What's up, Internet? My name is Jaytee and welcome back to my channel. And for today's video, I'll be teaching you guys another song to play on the ukulele. But before that, shoutout muna tayo. Isang malaking shoutout kay Marlene Rianzares, Luisa Lanyohan, Ashanti Asibal, Lara Salazar, Riziel Neri Ramel, Rina Garcia, Janine Asel, Angelo A. Sorza, Yezia Romero, Jolie Villanueva, Rafael Medina III, and lastly, shout out kay Jerwin Reneses. Ayan, thank you so much guys for watching my videos, and if you want to be mentioned, just drop your names on the comment section below. So for today's video, I'll be teaching you guys my first ever Christmas song na ituturo ko dito sa channel ko, and malapit na Pasko, ilang tulog na lang Pasko na guys. And of course, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below and follow me on my social media accounts kasi sa December, alam nyo na, may surprise tayo guys. So, ayan, without further much ado, grab your ukulele because today I'm gonna teach you how to play Jingle Bells. So by the way, the ukulele that I'll be using for today is the newest ukulele member of my Uku fam. Ayan, as you can see, ang ganda ng design. And this is from Turtolele, Philippines. My friend bought this for me. Ayan, again, shout out kay Nico Jan Torre Palma for giving me this very lovely ukulele. So in order to play this song, you need to learn 4 basic chords on the ukulele. So for the first chord, we have the chord of C, first string, 3rd fret. Ayan. Tapos, yung next chord natin is the chord of F. Super basic lang ng mga chords na to. Index, tapos middle finger. Ayan, itong dalawang to. Tapos, next chord is D. Ayan. Index, middle, and 4th finger. Itong tatlo. Tapos, for the last chord, we have the chord of G7. Ayan. Index, middle, 4th. Again, C, F, D, and then G7. So for the strumming pattern of the song, it is basically down, down, up, down, up. Ayan, ulit-ulitin mo lang yan guys. And that is the strumming pattern for the entire parts of the song. So for the first line hanggang sa last line ng kantang to, ito lang talaga yung strumming pattern natin. Okay? So practice muna tayo sa strumming pattern. Down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up. So para sa down strums, yung ginagamit ko lang ay yung kuko ng index finger. Ayan. And then for the up strums, I'm just using my thumbnail. Ayan. Down, and then up, and then down, and then up. So since the strumming pattern of this song is down, down, up, down, up. So maging ganito siya. Down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up. Slower. Down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, down. Okay, so for the first line of the song, we have jingle bells, jingle all the way. So yung chord lang natin dyan is the chord of C. Ayan, ito, first string, 3rd fret, and then just use the strumming pattern. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Tapos after nun, lipat sa F. Oh, what fun it. Tapos sa is dapat nasa C ka na. Is to ride in a one is D. One horse open. Sleigh is G7. Sleigh, hey. Okay? So from the top, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one horse open sleigh. Hey. Tapos, andito na tayo sa third line ng kanta. Same thing. First, yung jingle bells, jingle all the way. Chord of C pa rin. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Tapos, same thing. Oh, what fun it is to ride. Pero yung last two chords dito sa last line, or the fourth line of this stanza, one horse open sleigh, we have G7, one horse open, tapos sa sleigh is C. Kanina, yung one horse open sleigh natin, yung chords is D, and then G7. One horse last line, we have G7. One sleigh. Ayan. Oh, what fun it is to ride a one-horse open sleigh. Ayan. Okay? Remember those. Yung second line, D and G7. Yung fourth line, G7 and C. So, let's move on to the line na dashing through the snow. So, ayan. We have 2 chords for that line hanggang sa open sleigh. So, for dashing, we have C. And then, when you reach the word sleigh, you have to transfer from C to F. Ayan, okay? Dashing through the snow in the one-horse open sleigh. Ayan, F. Sleigh. O'er the fields we go. Go is G7. Go. Laughing all the way. Way is C. Okay? So, C, F, G, and then C. Ayan. Okay? All the way. Bells and bobtails ring, making spirits bright na line. So, for the bell, we have the chord of C, and then you transfer after yung sa bright na word. Ayan. Okay? Bells and bobtails ring, making spirits bright. What fun it is to ride is G7. Ride and sing and sleighing songs tonight. Tonight is C, and then balik ka naman. Oh, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey guys, so thanks for watching, and if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, and if you're interested to watch my latest ukulele cover or tutorials, you may click the video right here, and if you're interested to watch my latest vlogs, you may click the video right there, and I'll see you guys on my next video, and make sure to subscribe.